This is the SmarTek Touchpad Pro. If you are experiencing issues with your device, one of the first troubleshooting steps to try is performing a system reset. To begin, you'll need a small pointed object, such as a paperclip or a pin. Locate one of the reset access holes on the touchpad. These can be found on either the left side or the top of the device. Either location will work. Insert the pin or paperclip into the reset hole, then press and hold the reset button for 30 seconds. You'll notice the touchpad go offline. After 30 seconds, release the button. Once the device begins to power back on, insert the pin again and hold the reset button for an additional 10 seconds, then release. During startup, the screen will display the Rock Chip kernel logo. This confirms that the touchpad is restarting. After a few moments, you'll be taken to a screen that displays Connected Hub. From there, open Settings, enter your access PIN, and the touchpad will be ready for use again.